Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And I have, as promised, the next Portland Leather Goods mystery box. This one is again 3 totes and 8 littles or small SLGs. I know the tag is right here and I have not looked at it. I don't know if it says the color of the bag or not on it, or one of them, so I did not want to look. But the only thing I've done so far is just cut this open, so you guys didn't have to watch that. Okay. So here we go, and it comes like this. Another little welcome to the fam card. I am family now, I think. And we got one very heavy bag. Another bag, and another bag. I think the first and the last ones are the ones that have the littles or the SLGs in them. And so what I'm first going to do, I guess I'll open everything as it comes. So I'm going to open this one. I know there's some littles in here. This is the 3x8 for the mini crossbody bags, because I love their bags. I do like other versions of them. I have the toaster, the bucket, the Lola, the market tote, 2 medium totes, but the mini crossbody is my favorite. So that's what these are. First one here. Wow, this is gorgeous. This almost has like a little sheen to it too. And it is a zip tote. You don't ever know if you're getting zipper or snaps. Both are great, but if I had to pick a preference, it would be the zippered. And this has like antique gold hardware on here with a removable, adjustable strap. And is this indigo? I think this might be, but it's a little shiny, so I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to do some research on that. So this is really nice. I got my other ones out here yet from the other day, and here's my sunflower, and the sheen is kind of similar. Not sunflower, honeycomb. The sheen is kind of similar on here. So I got this one. I love this. So now I'm going to take the littles out from inside here. Let's put this up. Yeah, the leather's not completely stiff. I mean, not stiff, but it's not completely like mushy where it's going to fall down completely. But I just bring that up. So let's see what we got here. And I was wrong in the mystery packages. They don't put the name of the item on the package. I was wrong about quite a bit. Some of my stuff here. Misremembered. Alright, let's see what we got. There we go. It's a stack of 4 in here. This, I think, is a tassel. It's pretty telltale size and feel and shape. Oh, nice. Okay, I got this brown tassel. I don't think it says the color on it. The browns are hard. I mean, if I had to guess, maybe cold brew. I'm not 100% sure. It's not nutmeg, which is making me lean towards cold brew because of the texture of the leather, but this is gorgeous. This will be great on a number of my bags. Oh, I really wanted one of these. I'm so excited. I think this is cranberry because it's not boysenberry, because I have a bag in boysenberry. This is one of the little zipper pouches, and so it's got the interior here is, this is interesting. The one side is leather, the other side is suede, and then there is another zip compartment over here. So I think it's based on how it's made that there's leather also on the interior. This is, yeah, a double zip pocket pouch. I really, really wanted one of these, and I understand that you can only get these in mystery boxes, so this is awesome. This is too.
Another journal.
Gosh. Yes! Oh my gosh, I've wanted the journal so bad. And I got my first one yesterday. It's got a very similar leather, but this is, I think this is lavender, because it's got the lighter underneath and then the tops of the pebbles are darker. It's very similar to how this one works that I don't have. I had upside down, or what I consider upside down. This is something that I really, really wanted. I got one in yesterday's and one in today's, and I do not mind the two. That is so awesome. And they sell the notebooks right on the website, and they're very inexpensive, so I'm very excited about that one. What's this one? I'm not sure. Okay, there's cardboard in it. Maybe that's why I'm not sure what it is. Okay. No way! Oh my gosh, I got another. This is like the wristlet. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. I don't know the color. I was going to say peacock, but I don't think it's green enough for that. So this is awesome. Yeah, I'll have some that I'll have to figure out the colors on. This is so nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I got that. All right, let's go into, let's see now, which one's the one? Yeah, here's bag number 2. This one, I don't think has any littles in it. This one definitely is a firmer leather. There we go, nice. Now see, I would think this is honey, which I think I have a honey, but mine's lighter than this, the other one I have. So this is awesome. I'll have to check and see if this is the same or not as the one I have. It seems very similar, but a little bit darker. So that's awesome. I'll have to check if I already have one. It might be the first time I put one up for like trading. But if I don't have this one, this baby's mine too.
Is that one a little more rigid?
Yeah, a lot more rigid. It stands up on its own. It's firm. And what's cool, oh, and this one is a snap. The cool thing too is that even if I have this one, if the one I have is honey that matches this, but I think it's lighter than this. But even if I have it, I may just keep it and do the turning out, where you turn it out and then back right side out, because it'll make it like a different look and texture and like ages it kind of. I might just try that just to have 2 different looks for the bag, because this is awesome. I know we always talk about it. These smell so good.
That's me.
Yeah, no, that's not you. No, that's but last bag. And the fun doesn't end there because there's SLGs. Oh no. Okay, this color I know I have because it's right here from my one yesterday. That's a Honeycomb. I know the color now too. So this one will definitely be up for trade. Yeah, they're both about the same. I was going to say, this one seems even flippier, but it's not. This is another zipper tote. So, yeah, this one, I'll probably put on I'm on part of the buy, seller, trade Facebook group, and I may put this one out there to trade because I would love a color I don't have. So I will do that on this one. This one is awesome color though. I really like it. Like I said, the sheen is kind of like the blue. So that is awesome. So I have those. I'd also keep that for a gift. Littles. Ooh. One. 3 and 4. I'm just going to pull this. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I believe this is bubblegum. This pink color. It's just, I believe this is one of their cosmetic cases. I have nothing in this color right now. This is also exciting. I don't have anything in any of these colors hardly, except for possibly the 2 totes. This is awesome. So I have that here. And these are the ones that are similar to like the journal, where the tops of the pebbles are darker and then the background, so to speak, is lighter. Okay. Okay, I think this is a tag, and it is. I got a little black Portland Leather Goods tag with the little pine trees, words are hard, on the back. I might already have a black one too. I'm not sure, but these are something I don't mind having more than one of, and I don't care that it's the same color, because you can just put that on different things and then not have to move it all the time. This one I'm curious about. It's really small and little. Is it a card holder? Oh, it is. It's one of the little card holders, and again, I don't know what color this is. The browns are all so similar yet different. But I really like this. I got one of these in one of my other ones, and I really like it for cards. It's cool. It's got like a slip pocket here, and then the back part here. So you can fit cards in it, and you could actually kind of separate them if you wanted to for any reason. Yeah, it's really big pebbled leather. So it's not, I mean, I have something in nutmeg. It's definitely not that. That's really different. I really like that. Yeah. And lastly, I think this is a wallet. Yes, it is. This is a wallet. I think this is forest. In fact, I'm almost positive. That is awesome. I actually am using my other wallet like this right now that I have, and but it's not in forest. So this is awesome. This one has the actually same colored stitching, so it's not the contrasting white. This is gorgeous. So yeah, I would say that's a good bag. Even if I have some dupes on the minis, doesn't matter. I can use them for gifts, buy, sell, trade. So I am really happy with this box. Again, this is awesome. This is super fun, and I can see why people like to do this. So my husband's shaking his head no. Probably more like rolling his eyes, but or both. Yeah, that's my unboxing for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate that. And leave a comment down below. I absolutely love interacting with everybody in the comments. You can find me over on Instagram. I'm also at James Jam, but it's Jame, Jame _S _jam or jam. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.